Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and this is the second video of our sequence of products. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to add faucets inside SlabWare system. So let's go to the tutorial.
The process to add faucets in the system is the same as adding sinks. Go to Products, List of Faucets. Here you will see all the faucets you have registered. To add a new one, click New here in the corner, or go to New Faucet in the menu below. This is the registration form where you can enter all the details about your faucet. Fill in the name, choose the model, and if you need to add a new one, just click Add New. Select the supplier. You can also register a new one right here. The register date is set to today by default, but you can change it if needed. Enter the similar code, the sales price, and the type of price, which can be unit, linear, or square. Add a default description, which will appear in orders. Next, select the faucet's shape. Enter the length, which corresponds to the size of the faucet hole, and the height of the faucet. Also, specify the number of faucet holes. The front-end description is the description that will appear on your website for your customers. Here, you can upload photos of the faucet being registered. Enter the quantity of this faucet available in your stock. You also have two options: internal and taxable, if this faucet is subject to tax. After filling in all the information, just click Save. Your faucet is now added to the system. Back in List of Faucets, you can view the faucet we just created. Click the image icon to see the photo you uploaded. Here you can see the name, supplier, similar code, model, quantity, price, whether it is internal or not. The $sign icon shows if it was marked as taxable. The green check icon means the faucet is visible on your website. If you want to hide it, just click the icon and it will turn red. Use the pencil icon to edit the product, and the trash icon to delete it. On the faucets page, you can also see the consigned quantity. At the bottom, you'll find expense and income, which record the bills and sales related to this product. For more details, check the video How to Add Sinks in the System in the card above. Finally, let's see how the faucet looks on the website. Here it is. In View Details, you can see the full information along with the front-end description we entered. And that's it. See you in the next video.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact your support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.